All right, so I got a ninth gen Civic. Something very common. This is because they don't tighten it enough from the factory, and you get all this transmission fluid leaking everywhere. And that is the pressure switch in the front here. So from the factory, well, you can see all the oil, and it's being blown back here. So they back out because from the factory. Let's see if I can get it right there. That guy, right in front. So that guy isn't tight enough from the factory. So if you have a 9th gen Civic, make sure you check and see if that pressure switch is tight. Because what happens is you lose all your fluid while you're driving because it backs out. And then, yeah, you're basically stranded with no fluid in here. That's why you see all this blown all the way back. So there's not many issues with these 9th gen Civics, but there are some, you know, little quirks here and there, such as the pressure switch backing out because they're not tight, and then you leak all your fluid. So
I just hope you didn't burn off the solenoid.
Yeah.
I'm not hearing any clicks in there.
Yeah. So it's this pressure switch.
Oh,
Okay. Can't
it's
see
this
it.
one right here.
Yeah, this one right here.
You get a shot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna point.
Yeah.
Oh, drop my phone. Here, I can.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get it. Okay, there's my hand right there.
It's that pressure switch that always backs out. So
this
just give it
one
a little
right here.
twist. There you go.
Yeah.
See? Make sure you tighten that pressure switch.
Too much play.
Too much play. So yeah, back in the day, we were seeing a lot of these. Basically, puked all its tranny fluid out on the ground back in the day. But we still get these once in a while that, you know, backs off and then it leaks all its fluid out. So good thing to check those pressure switches, or that one specifically in the front, to make sure they're tight.
I see something like this a couple of times a year.
A couple of times a year, yeah. Back in the day when these things were, you know, fresh, we were seeing a lot of these.
You're supposed to have 4 liters.
Supposed to have 4 liters, but it lost quite a bit.